As far as people learning more from you guys and about you guys, how do they get in contact with you guys? How do they reach out and find you if they want to have a conversation about you coming and visiting or the ECOS or any of that? What's a good avenue?
So contact customer_service at bierermeters.com. Our office number is 803-786-4839. Call. Ask the questions. You can contact me directly if you're looking for safety and training and all that. My brother Joe Bierer, he's doing a lot of that. Again, Ryan Bierer is doing a lot of that. So it's not on all one shoulders. So we're splitting it basically across the country. I highly suggest you to get the Energy Wheel Reinvented. Get our brochure. Our brochure is new as of January 2025. It's interactive. So the brochure has a lot of QR codes, training videos, safety videos, a lot of resource in the brochure. It's not all about our tools. Also, get our Bierer USA pamphlet. We'll send it to you, and it'll give you ideas what you could do for the industry. Also, get our curriculum. Use it. Change it up. Edit it. Do whatever you want to do. We don't ever have to hear from you ever. Knowing that you used it, but not knowing that you used it, I feel great. So there's a lot of really good ideas to do this. I've trained some safety people in the industry, big customers, big utilities, and to where they take our training. This is cool. They take our training, they implement it, and they basically do it on their own without us being there. I see that happening more and more. And it's just so cool. Yeah. And they'll ask questions. Brent, I got to do this. I'm going to start doing this on your tools. I want to start using the PD25 and the VD1000X to see all that potential around. So this is what I'm going to do. And so I give coaching, give tips. And then before you know it, they don't need me no more. And that's good. I don't want people to need me and people need Joe or Ryan. We want them to have those skills. We want them to be mini Bierer meters, and have them go out in the field and do that. And it's a lot of fun because there's only so much of us, right?
For sure,
Thomas.
That's it.
Yeah,
that's it. I appreciate that message. I think it's a great thing. You guys, I support this company and what they're doing 100%. And it's not because of their tooling. Their tools are great. It's because of the culture and the mindset. We share a lot of the same mindsets on things and a lot of the same outlook on things. And I think that's something in this industry that could be used more, is that mindset. You guys not only say you're going to do some stuff, but you put your money where your mouth is and you made the trainings. None of that stuff is free for you guys to do, but you did it out of your pocket to help everybody. So learn from it, use it, go out there and find this stuff. They're doing it to help you and to help the industry as a whole. And I think you guys do great things. One of my mottos is let's talk about it, because that's what we do on the podcast, right? And you guys are doing it. You're going out there and you're talking about it, and I love that. So I appreciate your time today.